What we are showing right now is the crimping press that we ordered for crimping those pins onto the wire. You see, this is the press. It's a pneumatic operated press. You see the controller out there. You got the air controls. Then you come to the front side. This is the view showing the tooling. You can see you've got punches here, 4 punches. You've got 4 crimping sites. That cavities, 4 cavities in the lower die. This is a stripper. This strip goes out. This is a stripper which will remove your pins once they are crimped. Now I'll show the motion. This is a hand operated push switch. It's kept hand operated for operator safety. So when I press the switch, as you can see, you've seen the machine stroking. The thing that you seen right now is the stripper operating. That's the stripper operating. Right? Now we'll come down to preparation of the terminals. This is the first stage of preparation, where it's almost similar as what you are doing, except that we have increased the length, the core length by about 4 mm, 4 to 5 mm increased. So you basically do the sheath stripping as you are doing. Then you insert the button. Then you strip the wire. The copper that we are stripping right now, core, is stripped 10 mm, and then it is folded back. It is folded back